Welcome to Getaway RV and Marine, and here's a walkthrough video of one of our great RVs. Family-owned Getaway RV and Marine has something for everyone, from small trailers towable by the family SUV to large destination trailers and everything in between. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff with years of experience when it comes to outdoor adventures. You'll find competitive pricing, family values, and hassle-free camping when you shop at Getaway RV and Marine. So come see us today and let us help you and your family find the RV that's right for you.